Today, for our weekly project, we are going to be painting with straw. We're going to be making some abstract art using some watercolors, a little bit of water, which I kind of use already, a little bit of it. And you'll get some paper, you get a couple of different colors of the watercolor for you to mix, and you get a straw on your kit. So you will need some water from home and a brush or something that you might have available to mix that watercolor. So all you do is you start by grabbing some water into your brush and mixing it with one of the color and creating a lot of liquid there. You want to mix it well, get that color to be intense. And then I'm just going to drop a few drops of it. And don't use the brush to make strokes. You just want to drop some of that color that you just mixed up in different parts of your paper. Just drops of paint, of watercolor, right? Keep on mixing and you'll get two different colors. So you can start with one and then use the other one. You don't want to let your colors sit too long before you blow them because then they will dry up. So let's stop here since I already have used all of the water or all of the paint that you make. So I'm going to put my brush away, and now using my straw, I'm going to blow into these bubbles to kind of go in different directions. So you can move your paper Okay, now I'm going to add a different color. I have some orange too. So I'm going to make the same thing we did with the other one. I'll make a bunch of this orange paint, make it nice and thick, and start dropping. And maybe you can drop those dots in places where you haven't put any paint yet, but maybe you can work on putting some of that along with the other color that you have there, right? Just make sure you don't use the brush too much other than to drop that paint. Let's put a little bit more water into that orange and you drop it. And try to use your, when you're blowing, try to use your straw in different directions so you have different parts of the paint going in all directions. So let's see. Let's do this again. There we go. You can keep on adding more and more drops. I'm going to do that for a little bit and speed up my video so you can see what we can come up with. And there you have it. You can add any other color combinations that you might have at home. It's a really cool way to make some fun art. And you can always cut your piece of paper into two pieces or keep your paper as is in two pieces so you can make a card for someone. I hope you have enjoyed this project. See you soon.